Where does the name for Hoole come from? So today I'm in Cheshire. I'm actually in a suburb of Chester, just northeast of the city centre, and it's called Hoole. Now, the name for the suburb of Hoole comes from an Old English root, and that word is Holl, which is the ancestor to the modern English word for hole, and it means a hole or a hollow, a dip in the landscape. Now, there's a theory that that is a reference to a Roman road in the area, which used to be called a hollow road because of the way that they dug through the landscape, but I couldn't confirm that in my research. So, literally, the town's name means hole or hollow. Anyway, thank you, diolch. Give us a subscribe, give us a share, and give us a like. And if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales and a couple outside, you can on my Patreon. The link is in my bio. Diolch. Have a good one.